welcome back to the channel. We are in the frozen tundra known as Mahomet, Illinois, here at BBT Fabrications. We were supposed to have shot their Duster this weekend while we were here, but with this weather the way it is, didn't quite work out. But we did get a good shot of get a good chance to shoot Brad's Firebird. So we'll get Troy to talk about Brad's Firebird. We'll show you behind the scenes, a photo shoot, show you some stuff going on in the shop here at BBT. And it's pretty ridiculous cold out here. It's 38, feels like 19. Did 40 degree rolling shots last night out of the back of Troy's truck. But the images turned out great, even though the weather looked pretty much like this when we did it. But hope you guys enjoy this video. This is my last video and my last photo shoot of 2024. Hope you all have a great new year, and we'll do a lot more of these in 2025. All right, so we walked around your shop, saw a bunch of stuff today, but we came here to photograph Brad's Firebird. So why don't you tell us more about what's done to Brad's Firebird?
Yeah, so we built this car for Brad after, well, kind of during the '69 Firebird build, the green car. We've actually finished this one after, but this car was just something that he could get in and drive. So that's the key point to this car, is a really drivable car that he can beat on, take it anywhere, do anything with it, and just enjoy it. It's set up on a Detroit Speed suspension all the way around. It's got the Hydroforms subframe in the front and the Quadrolink in the back. We've got a set of forged line wheels here that kind of mimic the factory 70 TransAm wheel. We got bare brakes all the way around, and then under the hood we've got a Butler Performance Pontiac engine, fuel injected, backed up by a Bowler TKX transmission. And then the inside of the car is really kind of just kept it as original looking as possible. All the panels and stuff have been made, but trying to just keep it to the original vibe of the 70 TA. And that's really the theme of the whole car, was, you know, make it look like it did in 70, but just perform and drive like a new modern car as much as we could. And so that was kind of the theme with the whole build. Paint on this thing's by Miles Goss or Goose Graphics. And then we've got just a bunch of little cool features throughout the car, nice sound system, and really just meant to be a high-end driver, and that's what we've done to it. So we put about 150 miles on it, and then shipped the car to Denver, Colorado, and he drove the car on the Barrett-Jackson Road Tour about 2,000 miles for a week, and then we brought it back here, cleaned it all up, nut and bolt checked it, and shipped it off to Texas. And so it's back here now, just getting some routine maintenance on it. The car's got 5,000 miles on it now, so we're just tuning some things up, doing some maintenance, oil change, stuff like that, and then we'll get it back to him in Texas.
Awesome. Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Yep.
Turn the wheel that way just a hair. Perfect.